How do you move forward from this situation? You don't have the majority, but you said you have not been voted out because 13 has to vote against you. Someone described this situation as para raw po kayong hari na wala namang kingdom. Ano masasabi niyo doon?
Even if may kingdom ako, never naman ako hari. So yun po ang si Ronald Llamas. Yung kasi ang kanyang ideology, absolutist yan eh. Naniniwala yan hindi sa democracy. Alam niyo po, hindi tayo pwedeng maniwala sa democracy. Tapos when it gets messy, umahangal tayo. Diba? It's just like freedom of the press, diba? Do I always like what you report? No. But I have to support you. Can you imagine the Philippines without media? So that's why we went silent or went quiet to Monday. Because ang Senado na kinokontrol ng Malacanang ay hindi tunay na Senado. And you saw how they did it. May mga behind the scenes yan. Kaya sabi ko nga, between the lines ko ano nangyari. But what is the reality? The reality is, was elected by 13. The Constitution, the Senate rule says, hindi ka pwedeng palitan kung hindi 13. So wala silang prese, so wala silang forum. Kahit anong inimbento nila sa kanilang justification, hindi totoo yun. Pangalawa, even assuming may quorum sila, prese para tanggalin ang Senate President pro tempore. Even if natanggal nila, pati yung all seats vacant, nung pinukpok pa lang, natawa na ako, hindi alam ni Senator Win, you cannot declare all seats vacant will 12. You can declare all seats vacant below the Senate President and Senate Pro Tempore with that 12. Pero hindi pwedeng Senate President. So dapat ang pinupok ni Senator Will is that the motion is lost. Kasi 12 lang eh. Kami, nung nag-declare kami all seats vacant, present kami. Kaya pwede. Okay. So having said that, democracy is messy. But we have to embrace the democracy. We have to embrace. So sabi ng Constitution, walang political dynasty. Pero may political dynasty sa Pilipinas. Ibig sabihin, sunugin na natin buong Pilipinas. So sunugin na natin ang Senado because hindi nila gusto kung sino majority, kung sino ang second president. Pag sila nag-walk out, okay na, tignan niyo yung post ni Bam Aquino. Pag nag-walk out para sa bayan, pag kami hindi dumating, ayaw magtrabaho. O ano sabi nila, ayaw namin magtrabaho. Sabi nila, maiipit yung mga general sa scene. Sabi nila, kawawa yung mga pasyente sa ospital, dawawa yung mga estudyante. At nung nag-session sila, may 12 sila, sabi nila may quorum. Anong ginawa nila? Nag-CA meeting ba sila? Technically, they can have a session till tomorrow. Hindi. Nag-adjourn sila di. Pinasama nila yung sa ospital, sa pasyente. Nasa-adjourn na yun. Pwede lang pa. Hindi nila pinaka. So makikita mo, they're talking about power. We're talking about what is right. So katotohanan, napansin nyo kanina, they attended today. Tinatest nila yung credibility. Ito ang ayaw lumabas, di ba? Why would you fall? Ang nakalagay sa rules, ito, kapag ka may problema ang security ng Senado, you can ask law enforcers, pati police for help. Kita nyo kano madaming police na sa labas. Saan ka nakakita, Secretary of DILG ang ipapatawag? So, si Senator Win wants to be Senate President, but he's exercising all kinds of immaturity to our democracy. Papayag siya, 12 lang. Papayag siya, acting SB. Sa puntan nakalagay dito, you can only have acting SP. Pagkapatay na, o walang SP. Papayag siya na ang tatawagan niya, Secretary of Interior, para dito. Anong image ng Senate? So dun sa inyo, na buhay pa nung martial law, anong ipapalit natin yung ganung image? Ito sa different time. There were different circumstances. So ang sagot ko, Jessica, doon, they have to deal with it. And I have to deal with it. But I have to assert my authority as Senate President. Now it's up to the employees ng Senate sa konsensya nila. Kasi alam naman na nila kung sino sasabi totoo. So now it's between power and truth. The truth is, and all of you notice by your hand, there are 24 senators. So you need 13 for a quorum and for a majority. Etong tanong ko sa inyo, kung napasta nila, quorum, ito now, 12. Ilan ang kailangan para ma-impeach ang isang opisya? 2/3. Labihan ito. Okay? So, mga arrest ba na naman ng so ang 12 is 2/3 of 18. So kung mag-aresto sila ng 6 na senador, i-convict nila kung sino yung silang convict, sasabihin nila, nakapulong yung 6 eh. So ang quorum namin is based on 18. So based on 18, 10 lang ang quorum. 12 is 2/3. Yan ang kasunod nito. O anong kasunod? PI upon us. So hindi biro yung kasunod doon. Hindi ito labanan ng si Soto, si Cayetano, si Gatchalian, o si Cayetano, ang Malacanang at Senate. Hindi po future ng ating bansa ang at stake dito. Kaya hindi masagot diretsyo ng Malacanang at ng Lalitisa +1 kung anong pinanggagawa nila. Sabi nila, ekonomiya yung issue. Ayaw naman nila mag-usap tungkol sa ekonomiya. Sabi nila, impartial daw yung trial nila, impartial. O may nakita na ba kayong partiality sa amin? Is there anything in my reputation? Sabi nila, yan si Alan, nangagat ng amo niya. O, unang-una, hindi ko amo si Vice President Sara. Pangalawa, kaibigan ko siya, pero hindi namin parating nagkakasundo sa politika. O, so, wala naman pala silang hanggal sa impartiality ko. Eh, bakit may siya sabi? So, Ma'am Jessica, the point is, for their convenience, the media, the Constitution, Senate should bend backwards. I don't think so. I should think,